Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for book number 5, angles in geometrical figures, and we are looking at angles at point. Now, let's first understand how should we name an angle. Now, let's look at the first one here first. Example, I have an angle here, and I would like to name this angle. How should I name it? Okay, now the way we name it is angle ABC. From here, A, B, C, and the angle the nearest way is actually here, B. Or another way you can name it is angle CBA. Okay, CBA. That actually means the same thing. Or actually, if you want to make it a little bit shortcut, angle B also can. Okay, so the same thing here, if I want to name the angle here, the same thing, angle BAC. The angle that is near to this, we put it in the middle. Or you can change it to angle CAB. It still means the same thing. Or you can just say angle A. Okay, so this is how it works so far. And just to remind you that the tools we use to measure angle is called protractor. Okay, and actually just to let you know also, the tools that we use to construct angle, we call it as what? What is angle? This is angle, okay, sorry, angle. We will call it as compass, something that's like this. Okay, then you can attach a pencil here to draw. Okay, and you can turn. This is called compass. Now, here also mentioned that there are the type of angles that you should know. Example, if I have one line here, I have one line here. Now I know that for sure this angle is less than 90, right? So this is called acute angle. Okay, acute angle. If you have an angle that's 90 degree, okay, and we usually draw it as a square here, and this is called as right angle. If you have an angle that is more than 90, but still less than 180, this is what we call it as obtuse angle. And of course, if you have an angle that is more than 180, but still less than 360, that's called it as reflex angle. Okay, so these are basically the names. Usually you don't need to specially remember it, but sometimes they might use this to trick you, okay, or to test you whether you know it or not. Okay, now the next one here says tips for angles at a point. Tips for angle at a point. This is something you have learned in P5, but I'm repeating it. Okay, here says that the sum of angles on a straight line is 180. Now we know that a straight line is always 180. It means that from here to here, from here to here, if here is A, here is B, here is C, A plus B plus C will be 180 degree. Okay, so one line is 180 degree. Now the sum of angles at the point means that, example, I have something like this, or a line like this. Here A, B, C, D, E, F. I add up all together, it will give me 360 degree. Okay? And the last one is called vertical opposite angle. Now, if I have a straight line here, the angle here, A and B, will be the same. The angle here, C, and the angle here, D, will also be the same. But if I were to ask you, hey, teacher, A and C, is it the same? The answer is not necessary. Okay, but in this case, obviously it's no. Okay, because one is more than 90, one is less than 90. Okay, if A and C will be the same, it will be 90 degree already. Okay, so anyway, this is how it works. Okay, and this is basically the revision that we are trying to do, and this is all from P5. Okay, until P5 you should know already. Okay, and I hope that by knowing all this can help you to tackle the questions below and also at the next page. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope this helps you a lot. Okay, thank you and see you. Bye bye.